And then he reaches for his bag, but he grabs my butt instead. When the whole Me Too movement was happening, and everyone, I mean, I was in my 20s, I also posted my own story na sinensationalize ko din naman dahil parang,
because
hindi, kasi lahat
everyone
ng
gets
tao,
attention, di ba? Parang that's the time for sympathy, and
the more detailed the story, the more parang
the more points it gets.
the more attention it gets. So ako naman,
Right.
parang okay. And then someone reached out to me and said, I'm so amazed at how you can be so vocal about this because I am a victim of rape and I can't. And parang ako, wow, sobra akong natauhan in a way na here I am complaining about this thing that, I mean, I put myself in, for...
What's the situation? Hindi, sige,
Hindi,
kwento mo.
natin.
Kwento
Sige,
mo.
kwento natin. So may party. Okay, yan.
Okay.
Yung lang mga kwento nung 20s. May party, may booze.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're all drinking. And I was really attracted to this guy. Okay.
Okay.
Pogi siya. And, like,
Okay.
he stands beside me. And I'm like, I need a lighter kasi nag-yossi pa ako nun. And he goes, oh, meron ako. And then he reaches for his bag, but he grabs my butt instead. And parang inisip ko nung time na yun, na-flatter ba ako? Nagustuhan ko ba? I mean, I'm also so confused.
Yeah.
It's something that I could have called out. I mean,
In that moment.
na parang, akala ko ba lighter ko kunin mo? Or whatever. And then, but when the whole Me Too thing erupted, parang,
Now you painted it to
Ako
be
din.
this.
yun! Me Too
Parang
ba?
ako dyan.
Me Too.
Kasama ako dyan.
Parang
Yes.
biglang naging ganon.
I'm getting on that bus too.
Yan.
Yeah.
Na parang now everyone's all the likes and all the talk and all the comments on Facebook. Sige, sali ako. If I had processed it maturely, I wouldn't have chalked it up to that. I think that's the danger of it. Your experiences and the narrative are now blurred.